We have just seen how to measure central tendencies. Although these are crucial to describe our data sets, they only offer a partial picture of your distribution. This short video will first show you why they only offer a partial picture, and will also introduce the first measure of variation, the range. Imagine that a pharmaceutical lab is testing two different versions of painkillers. According to the lab results, here are the times where test patients start feeling pain again after taking the medicine. When calculating the mean for both painkillers, we can see that their means are equal. This is the same thing for the medians, both of the medians being equal to 10. So we might be tempted to conclude that both painkillers last on average the same amount of time, although that seems a bit contradictory to what our eyes tell us. Let's take a look at it graphically. We can see that even though the central tendency measures were the same, the results for painkillers B are much more spread out than the results for painkillers A. We can state this otherwise by saying that the results for painkillers B are more variable or have a higher variability than the results for painkillers A. To describe the variability of a data set, we can use three different measures: the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. We will start with the range, which is the simplest of these measures. The range shows the extent of the distribution. To calculate it, we subtract our lowest value from our highest value. For example, if we were to calculate the range for painkillers B, we take our highest value, which is 14, and subtract from that our lowest value, which is 6. The range of values for painkillers B is 8. Note that for distributions with a lot of values, it could help to arrange the values in order before proceeding. You must be cautious though, since the range can be greatly affected by extreme values. Let's go back to the kids and sumo example. Here is the distribution of the weight of the kids. As such, the range for this distribution is 6. But if we include the sumo wrestler in the group, then our range becomes much larger. 400 maximum value minus 37 lowest value gives us a range of 363 pounds.